There are over 3,200 tons of food waste is produced in Hong Kong each day. The amount produced by the hospitality industry alone has doubled in the last 5 years. The vast majority of this food ends up in landfill, where it is leading to the rapid depletion of our already limited landfill space and imposing a severe burden on the local environment. In addition, as food rots in landfill, it releases significant quantities of methane and carbon dioxide, which are the greenhouse gases that capture and retain heat in the atmosphere. Landfilling is no longer a suitable choice of treating food waste.
There are numerous methods to reduce food waste. First of all, cutting food waste at source. This is a scheme that's supported by more than 60 organizations. It primarily promotes 3 ways to cut food waste. Firstly, encourage consumers to order meals depends on their level of hungriness. Secondly, offer price reduction if they did ask for fewer fries in their set meal. Thirdly, encourage consumers to bring along a container to pack those food left and continue to eat in next meal. While restaurants can print this logo on their takeaway box in order to promote packing the remaining food is a way to help reduce food waste and also contributing to our environment. So, cutting food waste at source is not only rely on food consumers. Food providers can also contribute to this meaningful scheme.
In order to attract customers, supermarkets have to dispose those products which are not fresh, especially fruits and vegetables, even though the fruit has not yet expired. Food bank then will collect, sort, stores, and distribute those donated food to the community. Food banks do not distribute directly to those in need. Instead, they serve a network of local charities who in turn feed the hungry. Food banks operate in various districts, run by some charitable bodies and supported by various organizations, including the Hong Kong Social Welfare Department, some food industries, their financial partners, and charities partners.
We can turn the food waste into organic fertilizer. Food products like fruits, vegetables, bread, meat with bones, coffee ground can use to make organic fertilizers. By using bacteria, microorganisms with suitable temperature, pH, environment, and proportion in stable containers, the mixture of food waste and bacteria will process in a series of biological and chemical processes, like fermentation. The mixture will need the help of heat and oxygen, like the compost digestion process. After 8 to 10 days, the food waste will convert into ordinary organic fertilizers. We can add them to subsoil and increase the yield and growth of gardens or commercial lawn. The fertilizers are completely natural and organic, and by converting the food waste to organic fertilizers, it can eliminate the waste in landfill, the production of greenhouse gases like methane and carbon dioxide. They can also replace the artificial fertilizers, so to minimize the problem of original water pollution and soil quality damage of using artificial fertilizers in long term. The Hong Kong government should introduce this program to minimize the food waste problem, seeing it as successfully in other countries like Boston. This is one of the ways the Hong Kong should go.
By the Hong Kong Environmental Protection Department, the remaining capacities of Hong Kong's 3 landfills will be exhausted in 2014, 2016, and 2018. We must act as soon as possible to reduce the food waste in order to build a more sustainable society in Hong Kong.